Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some different length of heels in really beautiful design and really different color combinations that looks really pretty and very beautiful kind of combinations and designs. And these two heels are the same design but in different colors, and both of these color looks really nice, and this heel also looks really pretty, a very beautiful kind of golden color heel that looks really amazing. And this heel also looks really pretty, a beautiful black color heel that looks really cool. And this one is also very beautiful in silver kind of color. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and more beautiful. And as you see, this black color heel that looks really nice and amazing and a very beautiful kind of design, very different prints. And this heel also looks really nice, a beautiful black color heel that look really good and amazing. And this heel also looks really pretty, in a pink color, and that looks really amazing. And as you know, heel can give you a temporary height boost that can help you to look taller than your actual height and make you a little bit taller. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like this video. So don't forget to like the video, comment on this video and share this video. So bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.